What's up guys, welcome to the podcast. Nicky with Mario and Greme. Special participation or rather collaboration with Strong Group Athletics kasi they'll be participating in the upcoming William Jones Cup tournament. And yung first guest namin for today is none other than Will Navarro. And ako, si Will, I've known him since San Beda High School all the way to Ateneo. And it's nice to have him finally here. He's had quite a interesting journey sa pro career niya. Now he's with Strong Group Athletics sa Jones Cup and will be one of the key cogs for this team considering ang dami nang nawala from the previous team. So next man up. Kumusta Will? Nice to have you here, bro.
Thank you for inviting me. Thank you.
Mario and Grant pala.
New friend of the pod.
New friend of the pod. So pag may na-interview kami na player na bago, naging friend of the pod na. So friend mo na kami. So kung may kailangan ka, as long as kaya namin, tutulungan na.
So yeah, well, Will, last time we saw you was in Korea, right?
Yeah.
So kamusta naman? How did you end up back here sa Philippines and now why are you playing sa SGA?
Basically yung contract ko kasi is 1 year lang. Hindi nila ako ni-renew. So, ayun, I had the opportunity to join here. In-invite ako ni Boss Jacob. So, yun.
So what's it like been sa SGA under Coach Charles? First time under Coach Charles, di ba?
Yeah, first time. Pero before, nakipag-training din ako with him sa Benilde. Nung, kailan ba?
Before Ateneo or during?
Parang sa PBA na.
PBA.
Parang nung mga breaks, gano'n. Before mag-start ng season.
So kamusta naman so far yung trainings niyo sa SGA? And aren't you guys leaving
Alis kayo
next
sa
week?
diba? Parang August na. Alis kayo.
13 nata.
Ayun, 30.
Kamusta
Usually
Something like
the day
that.
before the games.
Is it getting mas strict na ba kayo now? Or
More intense na kahit pa paano. Today we had a great practice. Medyo naging comfortable na with each other. Yun, going with the flow lang. Pakiramdaman with other teammates. Ganun.
yung teammates mo, medyo marami kang teammates dun na, pretty big names outside the country. Obviously, we know Boban, we know Remy, also played sa USA, si Isaiah?
Pinheiro.
Yeah, Pinheiro. Yeah, so kamusta naman? How have you been jiving with them? Tapos may pagka-starstruck ba? Or anything? Pag si Boban, he's like 7-8 feet tall. I don't know how tall he is.
7'5",
Exciting, syempre. Nakakasama yung mga superstars, ganun. Big names. Pero I can control only what I can control, di ba? So, yun, basketball lang naman to eh. It's not like something like math or whatever. Kumbaga, go with the flow lang din, ganun. Try to compete with the best players, yeah.
How's Boban been sa practice? I'm the guy who normally takes conversations outside of the court. How's he been? Kasi
That's his job.
he's nice. He's known as a nice guy.
yeah.
He'll deliberately miss his free throws para magkaroon ng chicken nuggets yung Boban.
Yeah.
How's he been?
I mean, di pa namin talaga totally nakakasama ng matagal. Pero so far, funny. Like, kung ano nakikita natin sa TV, ganun din naman siya in real life. Dito.
That's nice. That's really Boban.
Yeah.
How was that transition from the PBA to Korea? Because it was a short stint, diba? We had expectations.
Yeah. I was trying to get out of my comfort zone eh. Yun eh. Trying to challenge myself. Kaya ako umalis. Trying to see where my talents can, go, ganon. Pero so far, it was good experience eh. Hindi ko pinagsisihan kasi ever since talaga, I wanted to try to play abroad. So, no regrets. Even though I had limited minutes, pero I was able to experience eh. Yun naman talaga yun eh. It's not always about the money or whatever. Siyempre, factor din naman talaga. Pero, at the end of the day, parang yung experience talaga yung habol ko dun eh. Yeah. It was fun.
How did that happen? Were you recruited by Aegis? Aegis? How did it all come together?
Yeah. paano ba? It was always my goal talaga, like what I said kanina, na to play abroad eh. Siguro, parang nagkaroon ng opportunity lang na parang wala silang Asian import, so they were looking for one. Sakto, wala rin naman akong contract at the time. So, I thought like, it was all clear.
That was
Yeah.
before the ban, di ba?
That was before the ban.
So, okay. Now that we're into it.
Since nandito na tayo,
Now
so
that we got there. So, yeah, we know na may 3-year ban, right, for those who went abroad. My first question for you is, what do you think about the ban? Like a personal opinion, as somebody who, had to experience it or is experiencing it right now.
Syempre, I was surprised. Kasi before leaving sa Korea, wala naman nababalitaan or any news na may ban tayo, di ba? So, syempre, shocked din na after I left, nagkaroon ng ban pala. And then, yun, pumutok na yung news na sa social media, doon na, di ba? Pero yun yung pagkatanda ko nung umalis na ako, tsaka lumabas.
Saka plus after Will. Yeah.
Yeah, kayo ni Jamie yun eh.
Yeah, same
Kasi
as
iba
mine.
yun.
Will and then Jamie. And then they were like, alam mo, 3 years.
Yeah, so, I can control what I can control lang.
But at that time, you didn't have a contract with Magnolia.
Yeah, wala na. Kasi my contract was with Northport at that time. And then it ended after the season eh. So, yun, Magnolia tried to offer, pero I didn't sign anything. Yeah.
Okay.
So, parang free. Yeah.
Free agent. You were free agent, basically.
Free agent, yeah. Pero I can't transfer to another team sa PBA.
Okay.
Pero as far as going outside, wala namang restriction at that time. I didn't know, yeah.
Pero we read something, I think, na you're trying to appeal yung 3-year ban. Is that true? Or...
Yeah, it's true. Siyempre, I don't wanna do nothing.
Kasi yung gagawin ng try lang,
Diba?
diba?
So, I'm trying to appeal nga para makalaro. Siyempre, I need money.
Lahat tayo.
I have to work. Siyempre, my family. Yeah. So,
Pero no regrets ka ba? Kasi di ba, you were expected kay ni Xavier Lucero. Di ba? I remember the Manila Classico, the only Manila Classico.
Yeah.
You hit a 3-pointer. Is pa kami
Yeah.
Nanalo ka rin kami din. So it was good.
We got a...
Wala tayo
Preface natin, he's a Ginebra fan. He's a Ginebra fan. So,
But, di ba, we still won in the end. Pero still,
Yeah.
despite that, no regrets yung, nobody saw the ban coming.
yeah.
But if you had the choice, yun pa rin yung option na pinili. Still go for it.
yeah, let's say you knew there was a 3-year ban.
Yeah, so Nostradamus ka.
Siyempre, I would weigh the options eh. Diba? I wouldn't automatically join Korea. Siyempre, malaking factor din talaga yung ban eh. If we knew, maybe, pwedeng magbago isip. I don't know. At that time, hindi ko masabi. So, yeah.
Speaking of Korea, we talked about it briefly kanina, but I want to bring it up. What's a major experience na nakuha mo dun? You were able to play with a lot of Korean players. National team, yes.
Yeah.
I don't want to guess his name. But I know that si Choi, he's trying sa NBA Summer League right now. And then a lot of other imports as well sa Korean League. Kamusta naman yung experience mo dun? What was your best memory or best learning, I guess?
I would say the whole experience, the whole journey. From PBA, let's say, syempre, I had a name na, di ba? Kahit paano na nagkapangalan din, di ba?
Double threat talaga pag
Yeah, kahit paano, di ba?
Ginebra killer din.
Yun. And then, going to Korea, syempre, new environment. Like what I said, going out of my comfort zone, trying something new. I had to go back ulit sa level 0, parang ganun eh. Syempre, kailangan magpakilala ulit. Nagkataon lang na that team was so stacked na yung first five talaga, national team, MVPs. Lahat at some point of their career, naging MVP sila. So, nung playoffs, grabe, 38 minutes per game yung first five.
Short rotation. Yung
Like, wala.
6-man rotation, gano'n? 6-7.
8 minutes.
Wait,
First
so,
five, yeah.
can I- if
That's
I'm-
crazy.
you guys win the championship?
We won the championship,
we won the
yeah.
championship.
Yeah.
I mean, I had a pretty good run before the playoffs.
Yeah, in regular season.
Yeah, when you, if nabalitaan nyo, like, I was a player of the game 3 times, something like that, di ba? Yeah.
Oh, no.
Pero at that time kasi, parang na-injure pa yung mga star players namin.
Okay.
Kaya nagkakaroon ng opportunity maglaro, gano'n. Pero nung gumaling na lahat, and then dumating na yung playoff, syempre yung coaches mas prefer din yung veteran siguro. Ayun. I mean, nakaka-produce naman kasi sila eh. We're winning eh, so they wouldn't change anything as long as we're winning, di ba? Yeah.
You have the magkapatid na brothers, di ba?
Yeah.
And then, talking about imports, you faced against imports in the PBA,
Mhm.
you faced imports in the KBL, you faced both imports. Kamusta naman? Is there a difference between the two? Is there an import who you want to see come to the Philippines? Who you could recommend maybe? Because, you know, there are a lot of teams. There are a lot of teams who need imports right now.
Yeah. My teammate, of course, Sean Long. He's like
He was good.
baby shark.
Yeah, he was good. He was very good.
He is like a shark in the KBL. Like unstoppable once he has the ball. He's big eh.
Yeah.
Pero I would say different I would say parang college yung style doon.
Talaga.
Oh,
Kasi
More system.
yeah, more system, di ba?
Yeah.
Compared sa PBA na bigay lang sa import 40 points. Di ba? Yeah. Dito sa KBL, more of system. Tapos sobrang tight ng defense. Kaya if nakikita nyo, every time pupunta sila dito, tune up, mga college din eh.
Yeah.
Di ba? Palaging...
That's true. They
College.
play against
Kala-
UP.
yeah.
Sometimes, yeah.
Actually, mga Korean.
Yeah,
pupunta dito,
That's
diba?
it. Yeah, you're right.
Even if tune-up games, they're playing against Korean universities palagi.
Yes.
Yeah.
What about the other Filipino imports who were there sa KBL? You faced off against a lot of them.
Or actually, gusto ko tanungin, if
Go ahead.
yung before ka nag-Korea, Will, or kung papunta ka na doon, may mga kinonsult ka ba na Filipino na Asian imports? Like, and did you
SJ?
consult with anyone na parang, bro, kumusta dyan? Anong may
Ah,
expect
yeah.
ko dito? Or more of, wala, bahala, tanong ako dito.
Exactly. That's what happened at first.
Yung nag-consult ka,
No.
yung bahala na.
Punta na. Let me figure out by myself. Parang surprise ba? Parang ganun. Yun. So before going sa Korea, wala nang usap-usap with other Pinoy.
More of, ano na lang, pagdating mo na
Punta na, oo. Trying to figure out kung ano yung... Try to experience firsthand, ganun. Pero eventually, syempre, nakakalaban ko sila. Yun na, nakakausap ko na sila. O, kumusta dito? Kumusta dyan?
Ganito ba talaga
Kumusta
dito?
yung culture? Ganun. Oo.
Sino yung first na Filipino Asian import na you try to reach out to or sila yung nag-reach out sa'yo?
SJ.
SJ.
Ay,
Tayo,
close,
kayo.
no.
Kayo.
Kaibigan ko naman talaga yun.
Sabay
Si
sabay
SJ.
kayo, diba? They
Oo.
were the three.
Paano siya?
Sabay kami. Oh.
Wala siya full-on Korean si SJ.
Koreano na yun eh.
Hindi. Seryoso ba? Si Will hindi nagpa-ano ko rin.
Hindi ka pala.
Hindi ko na yung side part.
Sa the year to niya kasi plano yun eh. Meron bang Filipino Asian import na binigyan ka dun?
Siliko ka ba?
Siyempre kababayan dapat.
Kita ng bago kaya. Wala na.
Wala na.
Tamayo, siya ba? Physical
Alam
si
naman natin
Tamayo.
What else?
Position nga si Carl, diba?
Yeah, he is.
He's a four there, right?
Yeah.
Paano gamit dun, Will? You're 3 or 4? Or interchangeable ka dun sa
Sa Korea, I played the 3-4 pero mostly 4. 4. Pero medyo undersized siguro sa foreman kasi yung 4 nila, 5 na talaga eh.
They're stocking.
5 na. 5 na talaga. Kasi may import eh. Dalawa yung import. Puro big man.
Yeah.
So palitan sila. So yung local is 5 talaga.
Kamusta naman yung two-import system? Because diba here, even when you were in the UAAP, isa pa lang. PBA then I think this year nag-change na yung UAAP eh. Na two FSAs na per team.
Talaga?
Yeah. So, kamusta naman? Is there a big difference dun sa two-import versus one-import na gano'n?
Yeah, coming from PBA na sa...
Yeah.
I would say big difference. Kasi syempre, yung challenge din, di ba? Parang dalawa eh. Dalawang ibang klaseng talent yung makikita mo. So, depende na sa usage ng coach. Pero for us, most of the time talaga yung main import. Parang 30 minutes per game eh. Baba talaga eh. Compared to other teams naman, yun, mini-mix nila. Siguro sa amin lang talaga yung ganong style.
Yeah. So do you prefer the two-import system?
It's alright. Not bad. Yeah. Siyempre, mas mahirap pa.
Siyempre.
Di ba? Yeah.
Position pa yung mga iba.
Mas mahirap. Pero, siyempre, mas gagaling naman din yung... I mean, if you compare yung ibang countries, parang puro two-import na eh. Ngayon, in Japan, parang 4 at the same time.
Yung Japan may 2 world, 2 Asian. Parang basta marami silang pwedeng
3 at the same time na American, tapos isang Asian. Wala na yung local.
Wala na yun.
Isa lang.
This is one local on the court.
Isang really good. Sino to kaya
Yeah, it's hard. Tough competition.
Last question about Korea. What became your favorite Korean food?
Bibimbap. I like bibimbap. Yeah, it's good.
Okay, now that you're back here, I guess we have to ask. So, your rights are currently with Titan. Right?
Yes.
Let's say we were hoping that you are the 2-year ban. They don't apply it to you anymore, right? Is the plan to just let's go play with Titan or what's up?
Yeah, I would do that. I mean, wala nang opportunity sa ibang bansa. If wala, then Titan talaga. Yeah.
And then, have you been able to keep up with the PBA recently? Like, who's on Titan ito? Josh Munzon, Kate Flores, Papa Villanar. So, have you met with them or not yet?
Not yet.
Wala
not
pang
yet.
ganun.
No, wala pa.
Medyo weird nga naman pa. Papakita siya doon sa...
Yeah, I mean, same people lang din naman eh. Kahit pa nakasama ko na naman sila before.
Pag-alis mo, halos sila.
Halos sila pa rin.
Yeah.
Konti lang yung naiba siguro. Sila Franyu.
Arvin, kasama mo nun dati.
Oo.
Yun yung Northport na Kadim.
Gano'n kami, semis.
Ito yung mga tayo na munting na ng Northport.
Kalaban Hinebra.
What's the name? Si Jude?
Si Yorgi.
Si ano ba, si Benky?
Kadim.
Benky
This Kadim.
Kadim na gano'n,
Si
semis.
Kadim
Kadim Jack.
Yeah. Si Kadim of Jabbar. Yeah. He was good.
Yeah.
40 and 20. No, mga games, 40 and 20, 30.
Yeah.
So yeah, actually one more question. You used to represent Gilas before all the time, a lot of times. Right now, do you still see yourself if given the opportunity? Do you want to? Now you're representing the Philippines basically.
Yeah.
It is a current tournament in sa SGA. What about Gilas in the future?
Yeah.
Asa?
What about Gilas in the future? Do you see anything?
Yeah, definitely. If may opportunity talaga na
Sorry.
yeah, if ma-invite ako ulit sa Gilas, why not? I would love to represent the team again, the national team. Yeah.
Si Will, OQT, right?
Oh yeah,
OQT.
you were there.
Di ba nasa, ano ka?
Yung sa Serbia?
Yeah, Serbia.
Hindi ko makakalimutan
Yeah.
si Will. Sky, Will, Ange,
Yeah.
SJ.
Balti.
SJ, RJ.
Yeah.
Nakakabay sa Boban.
Does Boban remember you?
Boban. I think so. I mean, I told him about it, but he said, "Yeah, I remember that." Gumanon siya. We almost beat them.
Sila rin, di ba? Klase na
Sila dun,
Sila dun,
Muntika na yun.
Nag-lead tayo, di ba? We
Yeah.
took the lead.
Muntika talaga yun.
That was the
Nang
one.
mga last 3 minutes na lang, nung
Go back to
Parang they got the lead after the heading 3, diba? If I remember correctly.
heading to that game, Will. Anong
What's the truth?
sinasabi sa inyo na just do our best lang ganyan? Or talagang from the very start, the way you guys approached it, parang
Kaya to.
kaya natin to guys, talagang to. Or it's more of like, let's just stay per quarter. Ganun ba yung ano?
Let's be honest,
let's
let's be-
talk. Oh, let's be honest. Tapos na rin eh.
Kasi that was Serbia, di ba?
Yeah, that was
Serbia, yeah.
ever since kasi with Coach Tab, never namin in-expect yung championship or something na ganun, di ba? Even in Ateneo days, we were always like, we had like winning streak and then naging undefeated at the end of the...
Even though na kayo favorites, yung
Yeah.
mentality is wala tayo expected.
Wala, it's just one game at a time, one possession at a time. So it's not about like believing, it's not about... it's just doing what we're supposed to do on the next possession. If he drives, what am I supposed to do? Go to the corner. If I'm wide open, shoot. It's not like thinking about what's gonna happen in the future or whatever. It's more of being prepared, more of knowing what you're supposed to do. Parang ganun eh. It's not like... Kasi yung iba talaga, oh, you have to believe, di ba? I mean, obviously you have to believe, but
Pero talaga sa
if you're focusing on what you're supposed to do, like, automatic eh, di ba?
Yeah.
It's not like you're gonna have to think about yung mga ganun ba?
Kailan
Di ba?
yung turning point ng game na yun para sa inyo na parang, guys, ano
Baka may...
Baka matisay
kaya
tayo.
to. Second, was it like first quarter, second quarter, the final quarter?
Like what I said kanina, it's just one
One play at a time.
one possession at a
One
time.
possession at a time.
Yeah, and then eventually, if you do your job, di ba? If you make a stop and then you run the transition, eventually yung makaka-wide open layup, something na ganun, di ba? So, para sa akin, hindi ko naisip yung
Guys, kaya.
oh, kaya to.
Kami mga mortals na yung ganun. Kami mga...
The ones who wish.
Wish kami yung mga, guys, ang kisata tayo dito.
Nagkataon lang. Syempre, mas veterano din talaga sila. Si Milos.
Si Milos, di ba?
Parang siya yung pumatay din eh. Kasi
Yung layup niya ba? Yung sobrang...
na-slow down niya nung panghuli eh. Tapos binibigay na kay Boban. Tapos,
I mean, what
gano'n na lang.
Ganun lang.
Yeah.
Pero munti ka talaga yun.
So what was the feeling for you nung game na yun mismo? I'm sure, I don't know, like excitement ba yun? Or like,
Tapos,
yeah, like,
after the
like when the game ended. Like, when
yeah.
the game ended. I'm sure like, obviously, malungkot ka yun, tama but I'm sure there were other emotions na parang, shit. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Pwede naman mag...
I'm sorry. Parang, oh my God, no. Hindi ka na tayo dun, parang gano'n.
Definitely yung ganong feeling na kaya pala natin makisabay sa ganitong level. So, nung dumating yung next game na Dominican, medyo mataas na yung expectations namin na, kaya natin mag-compete. Pero nung time na yon, parang medyo sumobra yung confidence level. So, medyo natambakan nga kami. Parang ganun eh. Yung nangyari nun eh.
That's sila Montero. Gene
Parang
Montero.
ganun.
Yeah, Gene Montero. I think import nung, hindi, Puerto Rico ate. I forgot. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a fun time.
Yeah, that was a good,
Yeah.
good game. That was an exciting game. Will, last question for you guys.
All good now.
For people who have not seen you in a while and who are watching this, because we get like 20 viewers.
15,
20, we get like 20 viewers on a good day, 25 on a Sunday. No, I'm just kidding. If there's somebody who hasn't seen you in a while, or a PBA fan who hasn't seen you in a while, what is something you can tell them about the current version of Will Navarro that they can be excited about?
I would say, I feel like I'm more prepared than yung na-experience ko from Korea and previous teams, ganyan. feeling ko they'll see something better na Will Navarro. Yeah.
Lift the band.
Lift the band.
Lift the band.
That's supposed to.
Lift the band.
Lift the band.
Thanks. Talaga sa post editing. So that's Will Navarro, guys, of Strong Group Athletics, Jones Cup Tournament. Let's support the team from August 13 to 24. And hopefully we go for a three-peat and hopefully, again, lift the band. So, yeah, hope to see him anytime soon in our shorts or whatever is God's plan is real. Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah.
Peace
Thank you.
and thanks, Will.
Thank you.
Taking the time.
Thank you. Bro.
Coding yan. Pumunta yan.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Ayun na.